How do I write a check to cash at a bank? Writing a check to cash at a bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Date the check. In the top right corner, write today's date. This is crucial for record keeping and validation. Step 2. Write the check out to cash. In the pay to the order of line, write the word cash. This indicates that the check is payable to anyone who presents it. Step 3. Write the check amount in numbers. On the line next to the $sign, write the check amount in numerical figures. Be accurate to avoid any discrepancies. Step 4. Write the check amount in words. Below the pay to the order of line, spell out the check amount in words. Double check for consistency with the numerical amount. Step 5. Fill out the FR or memo field. In the memo line, you can include a brief note about the purpose of the check. While this step is optional, it adds clarity to the transaction. Step 6. Sign the check. The check is not valid without your signature. Sign on the line in the bottom right corner to authorize the payment. It's important to note that when writing a check to cash, exercise caution. Treat it like cash because anyone can potentially cash or deposit the check. Ensure you are in a secure and trusted environment when presenting the check. Can you turn a check directly into cash? Yes, you can turn a check directly into cash through various methods provided by your bank or credit union. The most common options include visiting a branch, using an ATM, or utilizing your mobile banking app. When you go to a bank branch, you can present the check to a teller who will process it and give you the corresponding amount in cash. If you prefer a more convenient approach, many ATMs allow you to deposit a check directly into your account. However, keep in mind that the availability of funds might vary. Some financial institutions provide immediate access to the entire amount, while others may place a hold on a portion or the full sum, depending on their policies and the check's amount. Mobile banking apps have streamlined the process further. You can often deposit a check by taking pictures of the front and back with your smartphone. Similar to ATM deposits, the availability of funds might be subject to your bank's policies. It's essential to be aware of any potential fees associated with cashing a check. Some banks may charge a fee for non-account holders, so it's advisable to check with your specific financial institution to understand their policies. Can someone else cash my check for me? Yes, someone else can cash your check for you under specific conditions. When a person endorses a check over to someone else, it transforms into a third-party check. Many banks do accept third-party checks, allowing the endorsed individual to either deposit it into their own account or receive cash. However, it's crucial to note that not all banks have the same policies regarding third-party checks. Some financial institutions willingly accept them, while others may have strict rules against it. If your bank has a no third-party checks policy, attempting to deposit a check endorsed to you into someone else's account won't be successful. It's advisable to check with your bank about their specific policies on third-party checks to avoid any inconvenience. In some cases, the bank might require both parties to be present during the transaction, providing additional verification. Understanding your bank's policies regarding third-party checks ensures a smooth and successful check cashing process, preventing any surprises or complications. Always communicate with your bank to clarify any doubts and ensure compliance with their rules and regulations.